Sam! 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 What you doing? You got a hot dog, buddy?
Fuck your protein powder.
What's the next step? What do I do next?
C'est la première fois que le président de la République se déplace en Polynésie française. Emmanuel Macron est arrivé ce dimanche matin pour une visite.
Hola, soy Dora. Can you say puedes hacerme un sándwich? That means can you make me a sandwich in Spanish?
These? Deets nuts. Deets nuts. Deets nuts are nut nuts. Meat nuts.
Those are meat nuts.
Meat nuts. They're Deets nuts. Grab a handful of Deets nuts. Hey Chris, how Deets nuts taste? Are they delicious? What a fun snack. Deets and Watson. Deets nuts.
We're not gonna...
I feel so attacked right now. I don't know what to do. Somebody please send help. I'm just so attacked. Help! He's the camel. He's beating me.
Somebody get this ham sandwich out of my court.
Please like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. Thank you.
It's day 3 out here on the river with David. Still no sign of human life.
Was that a flying fish?
Hey, what's up? Can I show you a Metatronic by any chance?
Sure.
Awesome.
Show my friend too. She's on FaceTime.
Yeah, totally. Alright, so whatever happens, this is going to work. I guarantee it.
Okay.
Alright, you ready?
Oh my god. Sorry. Skipped.
Hey, can I ask you a
Hi.
quick question?
Yeah, what's up?
Do you personally think that— There you are! See, I told you it would work.
What?
Are y'all okay?
This guy just did a magic trick.
Are you okay?
Oh my god. That is so trippy.
Don't drop my beats. Put it down. Really, Alex? I just told you.
Половая функция может страдать, сексуальная функция может страдать. Вот. И коммуникация с миром разрушается, потому что семья становится очень сильно закрытой, скрытой. И она только за счет собственных ресурсов.
Dude! Come on! Oh my god. Dude, I have people home, okay? Are you kidding me? Mom! Mom, I'm stuck in the dog cage! Mom! You're gonna be on camera though! Okay? Oh shit!
It's a good thing I watch your live stream.
Are they helium balloons?
Yes.
I told you, the car's not here for helium balloons. It's too late. Oh, we're flying away.
Hey, yo, do that R2D2 impression.
To the wall. To the sweat drip down my balls. All you females call. All ski motherfucker.
On this week's episode of Whack Fuck.
Whack.
She looked at you like you.
Ay, dame tu cosita.
Would anybody like a cat? Anybody? Don't all speak at once. Does anybody want a cat? Please.
Informario? No! Oh yeah, W for Luigi!
Take one step on that rope and I'll cut it.
Hey guys, it's Charlie and I'm super excited to be sharing with you my first ever YouTube video on my YouTube channel.
Howdy there, neighbor. I am legally obligated to inform you that I have just moved into the neighborhood and I am in fact a convicted sex offender.
Oh my god, Miss Vicky's. Let me see what the ingredients are. Oh, it's kind of dark. Allie, do you mind turning the light on? For sure. Oh, that's much better.
Fucking Tomatonator Wendy's gave me. Look at this fucking thing, dude. What the fuck is this shit?
So guys, me and Naz, we're gonna be running some funny pranks here. Oh my god, he's not even ready for it.
Darling, you.
Fake sneeze in front of your dog.
Is there anything in there? Would it be crazy if I did this and the hand didn't come back? Like he was in there and he like grabbed the hand and like pulled it?
Nobody asked for your opinion.
You want to have a nice drink while you're mowing, so you just put it right in your little mowing cup holder, and then you.
We snuck into the back of the movies and started playing with the screen.
You drunk all the fucking milk, man. Give me my goddamn milk back. Give me my milk back, nigga.
What is this guy doing?
What are you doing?
You want to join me for dinner here? Here, I'll get you your chair.
Oh my god, thank you.
Yeah, yeah, of course. Yeah, have a seat at my dinner table. Yeah, let me take my seat. All right.
Dinner is served!
So what do you think of the place?
We was so stupid in 2018.
Beyond. How you like it?
Look at the fucking dementia and Alzheimer's home. I guess they forgot to build it.
Mr. Beast donated $1.99 through Super Chat. Big Black Monkey Boy, Big Mr. Beast!
Take Uncle down.
His feet are in the ground.
Look. Look.
He gets angry over nothing.
Okay, I'm helping.
Thanks.
I'm helping.
Fight me, demon! Get out of here, brothers!
Hey Vic, look what I got at Home Depot, bro.
Yo, we got mashed potatoes.
Why is like the tip looks Look at these. Yeah, look at the snowman.
Got a snowman.
No, the potatoes.
Ispademy żraka, jebem li joj mamu!
Oh, the sensual start.
Oh, the door!
Hey. Lauren, wave. Okay, oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Yo, bro. Huh? Don't look right now, but the girl behind you, like, she's been staring at you the entire time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn. Look.